Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Capricorn July the 8th to July the 10th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel that is Babaylan TV. May mga readings po tayo doon and doon lang po ako nagla-live. So if you want to join the live sessions, you're very much welcome. Ano po? So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. No? Wow, it felt like meron kang mga napapansin kay person na parang you smell something fishy, no? Parang may mali. Parang hindi naman ito yung routine namin. Parang nababago minsan yung oras ng tawag, nababago yung oras ng uwi, no? Bakit parang feeling ko, no? Hindi hindi na kami ganun kadalas magkita, hindi na kami ganun kadalas mag-usap. Parang ang cold, no? Pero kapag tinatanong ko naman si person, laging sinasabi niya walang problema. Pero alam ko deep inside, meron, no? Iba yung intuition ko, no, when it comes to this person with the hanged woman in here. So, parang iniisip mo dito na is by person playing, pero playing in a way na you know what I mean, no? Na parang nagloloko ba siya? Pero ayoko namang isipin kasi wala naman akong proof, no? It could be just, ako baka gumawa pa nga tayo ng excuses, no? Baka sinasabi mo dito, baka it's just my dirty mind, ano? Baka ako yung masamang tao dito, pinag-iisipan ko ng hindi maganda si person, no? With the Wheel of Fortune and the King of Cups, meron ditong mga bagay na parang bigla naman siyang minsan biglang magpapakita ng maganda and iba, no? Iba. Parang nakakapangilabot, no? Dahil although maganda naman yung pinapakita, iba yung pakiramdam mo no? Sometimes parang ngayon ang relasyon mo ngayon with your person is sa salita na lang. Alam mo yon, may jowa ka, yes. Pero ang tanong doon is, are you feeling na meron ka talagang jowa, no? Nararamdaman mo ba talaga? The inner garden and the idleness. So, it makes me feel like hindi talaga umuusad itong connection. And nawawala din yung enthusiasm mo, no? Na parang mag-effort na din, no? The hanged woman, cool, relax, everything is fine. This is also the hanged woman, diba? In traditional, it kind of it changes the illustration, pero ito pa rin, no? May mga lubid pa din. You feel there's still connection, yes, but you don't know sometimes, no? Parang my should I take my position, no, na kami pa rin naman. Gusto ko magreklamo na parang hindi na rin. Gusto kong tanungin kung meron bang anong problema, bakit hindi kami gumagala, to a point na hindi kami gumagala, no? Binibigay ko naman ang lahat. Si person hindi makapagsabi ng maayos. And I think that there's something beneath here because you're feeling the loneliness in here. And actually, you are looking for the truth. So, let's clarify the orphan, no? Let's clarify the orphan. So, I feel like meron ka ditong parang ang lamig-lamig, no? Not the weather, ang lamig-lamig ng pakikitungo niya sa'yo, parang ikaw na nagagaya mo na rin, no? Parang hindi ka na ganun ka-happy with the High Priestess and the Hermit. So, you're trying to balance. Alam mo, kung meron talagang understanding dito, no, sa connection na to, that is really you. Katulad ng sinabi ko nga kanina, you're probably making an excuses, no, sa sarili mo. Hindi mo nga tinatanong si person, no. Syempre may mga tanong na bakit kaya hindi pa niya ako tinatawagan? Bakit kaya hindi niya pa rin ako tinitext? Baka naman kasi, no? Ikaw na yung sagot ng tanong mo, di ba? Para tuloy yung isang TikToker, no? Hoy, self, yung ganyan, no? Parang, uy, sandali, no? Bakit ako gumagawa ng excuse kay person? Yun ang pinakamasakit din minsan, no? Let's check on the lies in here. But I think that you're going to receive some enlightenment, by the way. The justice is in reverse. So, ibig sabihin, there's really something going on. The Ace of Vessels is also in reverse. So, Capricorn, I think things are a little messy right now. Hindi na ganun. Wala akong nakikitang third party. I think ito yung masasabi natin, at least somehow panatag ako. I think that someone here is actually falling out of love. No? Hindi lang masabi ni person kasi siguro baka ayaw niya lang makipag-break or makasakit ng tao. But I think na itong ginagawa ni person is parang there's really no easy way, kanta to ha, to break somebody's heart. Totoo naman talaga na kasi kapag ang hirap makipaghiwalay, no? Lalo na kapag it's just merely I fell out of love. Anong mali, no? Kasi parang gusto ko pang itry. I think that your person here is somewhat napipilitang na lang, hindi lang siya makapagsabi. You deserve some truth in here. And I think that the truth is more of this might be a dying connection, no? Without any, yun na lang siguro, no? At, if in case that this is going to end up, it ended up because we fell out of love, or you fell out of love from me. Ang grace dito somewhat is at least hindi mo ako pinagpalit. And I'm not saying that your person here is really doing something behind your back. But I feel like ipinaparamdam niya na sa'yo na I'm not happy anymore. Ang sakit. I hope things will change. Let's check sa mga susunod na araw the update on this. But this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, and nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No? At Capricorn, kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live session, sa comment section po, no? Pwede naman kayo magtanong as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. And Capricorn, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa comment section, sa description box rather, na nandun yung link, All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, how much per question, no? The modes of payment, QR codes. And I also created a 4 questions plus one, so take advantage of it. And kung gusto niyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, Cappies. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just got